Growing a Jamaican, growing a Jamaican. After you don't need them, right? Because you rough up the dumpling when you rough on them. Let me help you.
No, I'm good. I got this.
And when you step away, make taste the water and the thing fresh, you see? You need more salt in the thing and butter.
I got this. I got it. I'm a chef. I got it.
Afraid me to drop few pieces of saltfish in there. Make it go and boil same time with the dumpling them. Thing nice, you see?
This is why I say don't touch it. I got it on the right settings that I want. Okay? I got this. You're done. You're sure? See, this is like what I told you not to touch it. Just don't touch it. Don't touch. I got it on the right settings that I want it on.
You see now, Fabian, that look good. Now that look good. You see, if me never come in here, I would have never look so.
Just don't touch it. Don't touch.
Growing up Jamaican.